Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Today I show you Zik miniature car. Yesterday my sister gave me this car of Zik Mini Cooper police version. This is old car. Then I will rebuild and to add this suspension or something. Then I disassemble this. Let's do it. I like this miniature car because it has normally rubber tire, but this Mini Cooper rigid with shaft, so it can't be rotate separately. It is not good, but this is really cool proportion. Beautiful. It looks like real car. Yeah, really beautiful. Then I disassemble. Oh my. Yes. Yes. This is chassis. Tire house is with the chassis. And this is body. I don't like the door of Zik miniature car because it is wide angle and can't be stopped for the opening and closing. It can't be stopped. This is not good, I think. Oh my god. And this is interior. Really good. Their interior dashboard. They're a dashboard. Really cool. The time before I said I will rebuild and add this suspension or something, but I don't have any idea for this toy for remodeling. Then I quit customizing this Zik miniature car. Now if I have any idea for the future, I start again customizing. But now I quit customizing this Zik toy car. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in me, please subscribe and press the like button below. See you.